I wanted to talk about hostel. I wanted to eat my noodles and share 4 tips about staying in hostels. And I know that we are all on lockdown, not lockdown, we're all coming out of lockdown. And I know that no one's really traveling right now, but hey, I'm a travel channel. I'm trying to grow my little travel channel. And people are still gonna travel, people are still traveling, but no one's traveling like Thailand right now, but there's hostels and hostel worlds will open back up again. And I just, people, it's one day we can expect for life to happen again after this whole pandemic and everything. And it's slowly starting to happen. The tips for a hostel. And so number 1, I want to say the most main things for staying in a hostel, for tips for staying in a hostel, is to be respectful. Be respectful for the moment you walk in. Be respectful to the people who own the hostel, to the workers at the hostel, and to the people of the hostel. I just want to say the top 3 things. There could be so much more to talk about with hostels, but I don't want to go so deep because we all know that I can go so deep. So let me just say like the top 3 things that I think that are most important for if you're going to stay in a hostel and how to have a successful hostel experience. So don't treat the workers disrespectful, but then try to sit down and have lunch with the person that's also sleeping at the hostel. Because no, treat people with respect, and sometimes maybe they might not be what you expect, but just treat it with respect and don't judge the person. And be nice to everyone. Keep that same energy. Don't change your energy from one person to another. Keep that same energy with everyone. Treat everyone with respect. Everyone deserves it. And who are you, God? Like, I hate when people want to be so disrespectful. My friend at a hostel, we were checking in the hostel, and the guy, he was super shaky, super nervous. It was his first day. And I didn't know that it was his first day, but it was his first day because the other guy was stealing money, so they had to replace him, and then they had to send him in. And it was his first day. He didn't know what was going on. He didn't know how long we've been at the hostel. He didn't know. He was just trying to figure out. But also, while he was trying to figure out, he was very shaky, very nervous. He started sweating, like his whole face was drenched in water. And I was like, whoa, calm down. Like, I thought I was a nervous person. I was like, it's okay. I'm patient. I'm like, yeah, it's okay. I don't got nothing to do anyway. Take your time, figure it out. But the other guy, my friend, my freaking friend, how am I even going to call you a friend if this is how you acting? The guy was like so nervous. And then my friend, he was ready to check out. He was just, I don't know, in some type of hurry. I don't know, I guess he was trying to move on to the next thing in life, like just keep going. And he's like, the guy was shaking and the guy couldn't figure it out. The guy looked like he was about to bust out crying. He's like a boy, but I think he has like, what's that disease where you can't socialize with people? Like people in my elementary school who have this disease. It's not a disease, but it's like a disorder or something. It's not autistic, but when it comes to socializing, maybe it may be a bit off. I forgot. Anyway, I'm not Dr. Kobe. Like, I don't know these people. I'm just saying, like, it's not your place to judge, And so anyway, give him the space to let him do his thing. Like, you don't have to. Anyway, so my friend was like, he was rolling his eyes, he was getting irritated. And then he looked at me and he said, oh, the education. And I'm like, what you looking at me? You think I'm gonna join? Oh yeah, the education. Like, no. Like, I was like, I don't think it's your education. Like, I was like, how can you say that? That's not cool. Like, anyway, so don't judge people and be nice to people. And number 2, be open. Be courteous and be respectful and be open. If you want to make friends, be open. Introduce yourself to people. If someone's in the room, speak with them. You don't have to be best friends for the rest of your life, but you can just say hello and speak with them and have a little chat with them. Maybe they'll be open and maybe they don't even want to talk, but at least you're open and you're putting yourself out there. So I think that's number 2. And even me, like, I'm a little bit shy. I can ramble to my camera, but in person, like, I'm not the most talkative. I'm not easily the most talkative person. And so, yeah, I don't know. But that doesn't mean like just use it as a crutch and be like, oh, I'm shy, so I can't speak with you. No. I'm Kobe, I'm from America. Where are you from? You can just say that. It doesn't mean like, oh, this person's annoying asking me where I'm from. Like, no, if they're traveling, I'm pretty sure 100 times they got asked where they're from. You can be the next person to ask where you're from. And you guys can share things about your country and stuff like that. Wow, just talk to people. You never know where the conversation can go. And I'm a little bit shy, but I'm even stepping outside of my comfort zone even more because I'm like, actually starting a conversation is not so hard. It's not really, really that difficult. I used to think it was the most difficult thing ever, but you just talk to people. And when I was younger, I was really shy. And I had a manager, and I never talked to my manager because I was so shy about my manager. Like, I thought she was gonna fire me if I did something wrong. I was so shy. It was when I was young, when I was like 15 or 16. And I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything to her. And she's like, why does this girl say nothing? I was so quiet. But she liked me because I worked my ass off, so that's why she kept me. My friend was like, just talk to her. And I was like, what do you mean? That's all she said. She was like, just talk to her. And she shrugged her shoulders and like walked away. But like, she didn't go into detail because there's nothing more in detail to go about. You literally just talk to people. And it took me like 8 years to realize that. And I was like, but what do you mean just talk to her? What do I say? And she's like, just talk to her. And I didn't realize that until now. Like, you just talk to people and the conversation would just flow naturally. Don't be that person to walk in the room and don't say anything. That's the one tip that I have. And the third tip is to be clean. Take a shower, don't be stinking, be clean, don't be messy, don't throw your stuff all around the floor. Like, keep your stuff in order. Like, my friend, this one person, he has his stuff thrown all over the floor, like just pew. It's like he literally just came and was like this, like pew. Like everything is just on the floor, like everything, here, here. And it's just so like, that just makes me cringe a little bit, you know? I'm like, how can you live like that? As a mom, the mom in me, I just want to pick it up and fold all his clothes and put it in order and put the socks together, put the underwear together, put the shorts together. But it's not my place in life. But be clean, because some people may be really bothered by it. And also, like, if you're the new person, you don't want to just be like, hey, I'm dirty, welcome, here I am, I'm the dirty person coming, hello. Pick up after yourself, you know? So those are the top 3 tips that I have. Be clean, be respectful, and don't judge another person, and talk to people. Whoa, so spicy.
And that one is you.
I like how spicy it is. Wow, very spicy. Woo. Okay. Okay. I have stuff to do. I have stuff to do today. This video wasn't supposed to be an hour. It was supposed to be 10 minutes. How do you just turn your camera on, talk for 10 minutes, and turn your camera off, and take out your car, put your camera away, and finish your day? I can't do that. I mean, I can. I'm pretty sure I can, but I have to really, really try. Wow. I can't even end the video. Look at me. I'm still talking. Let me text my friend back. He's like, is this 4C hair or 3C hair or 5C hair? And I love it so much. Is it 4A or 4C hair? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love life. I love people. People are so funny. I love making friends. I mean, you wouldn't believe how shy I am, and I'm making all these friends, and now my friend in Europe is texting me like, hey, what type of hair is this? Wow. Wow, these noodles are very spicy. I didn't put no rings on today, and usually I always have rings on, but I just rolled out of bed, like, I jumped out of bed, because like, I just set an alarm because I don't like alarms, but I told my body, I was like, okay body, you need to wake up early, and I woke up early. Wow, how about I shut up and start my day? I have videos to edit, I have to go do stuff today. On TikTok. I'm on TikTok now. I don't make any TikTok. I have one video on TikTok. You can follow me on TikTok if you want. I have one video, but it got 0 views. How does that happen? Oh, what does that mean? Like, how does that happen? Like, your video on TikTok should at least get 1 view, right? But it got 0 views, and I stopped checking. I don't know. It's okay. It's whatever. Everyone starts somewhere. I don't plan on. You won't see me on TikTok like classy, bougie, or actually like that's not my thing. You will see me talking to the camera about homeless people or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll do TikTok. Like I think I should do TikTok travel videos. I think that'd be cool. Like Japan in 90 seconds. Like that would be cool. But right now I'm focused on growing my YouTube channel. But you can follow me on TikTok as well. But yeah. Anyway, I like to scroll on TikTok and see like I like to watch the TikTok videos sometimes. And there's this thing they're like. I'm talking too much. I can't shut up. Bye. Bye.
I just wanna be the one you love.